Hey guys, Joe Glines here from the Automator, and today it's kind of funny. I'm gonna talk to you about a competitor of mine. So some of you probably know Jack Dunning. He has 10 AutoHotkey books, and you can go to his site. I'll give you some links here in a minute. But I wanted to just give you an idea, if you haven't looked inside them, the quality and the amount of stuff that you have access to. So I have 5 of them here. Digging deeper, let's here's the Regex one, which I really enjoyed. It helped me really have a much better understanding of how Regex work, especially in AutoHotkey. So there obviously is a good table of contents, but if we jump down here, he's been writing books for over 30 years, right? So it really steps you through. I'm a print kind of person. I literally printed this out and highlighted it as I read it, and it really, then I would sit at the computer and then adapt it and try it. And it really helped me learn regular expressions in particular. But in it, you can see it's not like he went short on the pages. So there's, roughly 100 pages in this Regex book. But it really helped. Let's take another look at the other ones, because what I wanted to really bring up is a lot of his books. They give you a ton of real world examples, and not just examples like, hey, you could do this. It's how to do it. Right, so let's just jump tip for long email address, right? So it walks you through exactly how to do it. I mean, this to me is incredible, because this is why I make videos. It's so painful to do this kind of labor intensive stuff and to draw it out and help you understand exactly where you're going. Yet he's done it in these books. So I highly recommend them. It's just a great, even if you're skimming it just for ideas, right? They're usually, I think, around $6 or so. So let's go ahead and show you. If you go to my site and you go under here, you'll see I have AutoHotkey books. And from here, this will pull up a page, at least with links to his stuff. So here, like I said, he's been writing for over 30 years. I've read and gone through 5 of them. And I have links to these 10 here, and then there's a mega bundle with all of them for $50. But if you click any one of them, it'll bring you to the book on his site, and you can see, you can go ahead and buy it. Or like I said, there's 2 that are free. Check out the free ones, right? Download the free ones, take a look at them. Let me scroll out a little here. Here we go. So this is the new beginner's guide, right? So this one's $6, right? And you can also go, it depends on the format you want. I think right here, it's the EPUB, mobile, and PDF versions of them. So personally, I like having the PDFs, and I print them out, and then I literally read through them and highlight them and make notes. But they're just great idea generators. And to me, for $6 to think outside the box and to find ways of doing stuff that you didn't even think about, like, I can't tell you how many times we'll be on a webinar or a podcast with Jackie, and I'll see something someone else has done and go, oh, I never realized I could have, I didn't dawn on me I could have applied that. So I highly recommend you check him out. His quality work is great, and then he's got some amazing bundles here you can see here too. So there's different levels, and apparently any book that you buy, if you later decide to buy a bundle, that amount you spend on the book will contribute to the bundle, so it's not wasted money. Again, check it out. Cheers. Go to my site. He has 2. There's the Computer Edge, which is more about the books, and then he has a blog site, so you can read his updates. This is more about just new things he's done with them, with AutoHotkey, right? And he keeps, obviously, this is June 11th, and so it wasn't that long ago that he made a post to it. All right. Check it out. Hope you enjoy it. Cheers.